Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to connect Discord with other social applications like Facebook and other social media platforms that you are using. So how you can connect it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Discord mobile application. Once you will open it, you have to click on the profile icon on the right bottom. So once you will do it, here you will see different options. Also you will see connection option, so you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, right now you can see I have no connection with other social media application. So simply click on the add button on the right top, click on it, and here you will see multiple social applications like Facebook, Reddit, Spotify, Twitter. You can connect with any of the application from here. So this is the procedure to connect with different applications on the Discord using your mobile. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.